So far, confirmed cases here are under 300 with 2 deaths by elderly sufferers. Health experts are predicting the outbreak will peak, and they'll tell the Prime Minister that this could lead to 100,000 deaths, compared to the average of 17,000 who died here from flu each year.
Cops say tweet.
Yeah, no, he's checking them out.
Button to answer.
Fuck, man.
Incoming call. Press the pickup button
man.
to answer. Call rejected.
Sorry about it, mate. I didn't fucking see you there. I looked over, she fucking cut me off and I gone bang and just fucked your car, didn't I?
You're a fucking idiot. Oh, you just cut over one way. What right now? Oh shit! Like, are they stupid or what? They're so.
Yeah, you don't have to stop at roundabouts.
Someone's turning.
Apprehend that horse ass for reckless driving.
What the fuck is that? You gotta be shitting me! Holy dog shit!
It's all. So these cars got away from me.
Oh.
What?
I was there too. Oh! What? You're not allowed to turn right out of there.
Yeah, I know, the idiots do it all the time.
I think the fire brigade's probably run over a few of those and wiped them out. Because the length of their truck, they can't get that
The
through.
narrow, this is only...
says the northeast of the state has been hardest hit by the rain, more than 120 millimetres at Mount Buffalo, and there's more on the way.
That heavy rain will persist across parts of the northeast throughout this morning and into the early afternoon, and we could see further 40 to 60 millimetres across.
Rain and barking dogs. Okay. Sounds like paradise on earth down there at Mount Martha. Phil, good afternoon.
Hey Tom, I thought I'd expand on this here on
Some people link, domestic violence with alcohol. Not many people talk about personal responsibility, but gimmicks are sort of harmless. It's I guess the issue is if they really do improve your performance 5%, is that legitimate in say the world of marathon running?
I think
Our very own Melbourne factory with some of Italy's best luxury furniture brands. Refined design, serious comfort, genuine value, and quality that lasts. With over 45 years interiors experience, we know that our furniture stands the test of time. If you're serious about making your home look amazing now and for many years to come, cocktail party in Miami.
decide to leave that position, it could provoke or prompt even more ruptions within the Nationals Party.
We can't move it yet and all that. But what would it be? What would be the point in moving it there and then moving it somewhere else?
Exactly.
What are you doing, mate? Fucking hell. What the fuck, mate? Do you remember the movie The Great Escape?
Yes.
Where the prisoners would have to conceal the soil in their trousers and then sort of walk in the garden
Why?
and just let
Why,
it trickle
mate?
out over there.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Get away from the monopoly and duopolies that existed in the telecommunications area.
It's working well, isn't it?
Well, it is, yeah, but it's more the carriers doing what we call the FUD, the fear, uncertainty and doubt, that they just go out there and just make everything so confusing for businesses.
Where did you pluck that from? That's a nice one.
Well, I'm a telecommunications advisor and consultant, and I started along.
Celebrities and politicians entitled to privacy when they're out in public, and just been thinking through what Judge Blake John Orr it's named after.
Half marks.
Thank you. No, and no good. Gary, hello. It's not in the. I don't know that it's in the dictionary. Actually, we'll have a look.
Oh yeah.
Fucking good on you, mate.
O-R-R. No. Gary, hello. What you got?
I've got OR, obviously. ORE.
Yes.
AWE.
Yeah.
Yes.
OAR.
Yeah. One more.
And I had ORR as well.
What does it mean, O-R-R?
I don't know. I think I've
After midnight, the circumstances behind the fatal crash are still under investigation. The Vids takes the state road toll to 45, 28 of those in regional areas. It comes ahead of the start of Operation Arrow, the Labor Day long weekend road safety campaign. Police vowing to have a strong presence not only in metropolitan.
She's really close. Left lane must turn
I
left.
know. You watch. That's going on dash cam.
But she's only She likes to play. Oh, you're waiting for it to happen.
Yeah.
So she has really, really sharp claws.
One Saturday, and I forgot to go back past it on the way back. Like I think I was out shopping.
This car stopped. They stopped. He's on his phone. He was looking down as I went past.
But how long was it green?
How dangerous is that?
Yeah.
You know you can't drive a piece of shit like that on the highway.
I'm gonna rip your balls off!
If I got a carton of beer, just keep some in the fridge. Look at this, mate. On a quad going for a red light. Did you see it?
Oh, that's just rude.
Hi. Please.
Do you have the no sugar frozen cokes?
No, I need the normal frozen coke at the moment.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Don't worry about it. Fuck me. Never fucking do it.